Good afternoon, boys and girls, and it's something very different for WRCC this afternoon. It's one that we've done a lot of work on in the past, only 100 miles ago actually, which were just I think it was 8 months or something we did it. So it's Tartan Red, the best colour in my opinion for MG Bs. Tartan Red 1966 MG B Roadster, stunning order. Just have a walk around her. We've done a lot of work on this. The underside's been stripped completely. Took the front axle off, took it all in bits, rebushed it, painted it all, and then put it all back on again. All new brake lines, new calipers. Then we stripped the exterior, all new paint on her. As you can see, the paint's absolutely lovely. We converted it, put brand new, the brand new, obviously, set of chrome wires on it, which cost about £2,000. All new lights, basically everything that it needed. Bits of lights, bits of chrome, bits of trim. Look at the shine on the paint, it's absolutely beautiful car. Let's go around again and then we'll have a look at the interior. So, as everybody knows, 60s stroke earlier 60s cars, and a lot better than the later rubber bumpers and the 70s ones. So this is everything that you want really out of an MGB. We've also brand new set of leather seat covers, which we've just fitted when she's been back. Woodrim steering wheel, which is a nice little touch. She's showing 29,499 miles. Doesn't seem to want to focus. But as you can see, all the dash is in good order, no cracks or anything in there. All the vinyl's in good order. We've fitted a new carpet set to her. Let me pop the bonnet and we'll get her started for you. Runs really nice. Again, it's driven really nicely up here, up the old bumpy track, which is a suspension test known as the WRCC suspension test. But we'll have to hold that up nice and clean under the bonnet, all been cleaned up under there. I'd say runs nice, really nice to drive, smooth gearbox, no whining or anything. Just a pleasure really. And if anybody knows a great deal about MGs, there's good ones and there's bad ones, and this one's a good one. We've put a lot of time and effort into it. So when the last owner asked if we'd like to buy it back, you know, we sort of bit his hand off really. So it's on at 19,495. Full details as always at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Give us a call on 01422 881 221. Speak to Dan in sales, that's me. Like I said, there's an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. And obviously I haven't got the hood on, that's one last thing. I haven't got the hood on it. I will try and get some pictures with the hood on when I get back down to the showroom, because it's hard to make a video and sort of take the pictures and stuff with the hood on and take it off all at the same time, so I can send those to you. But if you want any details, just give us a call. I'm more than happy to answer any questions for you. Super, thank you, bye.